There is a claim po that the president was misinformed daw po about the real situation in the ground amid the implementation of the PUVMP po. Any comments po?
Ako na lang po sasagot kasi kasama po ako nung pumunta kami sa Pangulo nung December 12. Unang-una po, days before and even a day before we met the President, updated po yung binigay naming listahan sa kanila. Nationwide, per mode, per region po, nakalagay po lahat. Utos ni Secretary Bautista, we should be transparent in all the information that we have to give at ginawa po namin yon. Nung umupo kami sa harap ng Pangulo, kitang-kita po namin sa kanyang demeanor, sa kanyang mata, the confidence tungkol sa programa. He knows the numbers, he knows about the program, and he was very confident in saying, hindi na tayo mag-extend. And he was still saying sa dulo, tulungan pa natin ang ating mga drivers, mga kooperatiba to improve further yung programa. At sinabi rin po niya, kailangan na natin to ibigay sa ating mga mananakay, sa mga commuters. So yung tungkol po na misleading or anything negative, wala po, hindi po yun nangyari. And alam na alam po ng Pangulo ang tungkol sa programa.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.